I rejoice that my spirit is free. I now allow the living presence of Spirit to flow through me in expanding circles of activity. Every past sense of limitation melts away, and every good I have experienced is increased. Every joy that has come into my life is multiplied, and there is new influx of inspiration into my thought. I see more clearly than ever that my divine birthright is freedom, joy, and good. Spirit is not limited, so neither am I. I let go of all restricting ideas, knowing that life gives according to my faith. I lift my thoughts and elevate my faith. I accept the divine presence as now bountifully expressing peace and harmony in my life. Spirit will never fail me if I never fail to believe in its goodness and its responsiveness. Life becomes one grand song as I realize that since God is for me and within me, none can be against me. I will cease merely to exist. I will live. In the awareness that God indwells my life, I know that my spirit is released from all lack and limitation. I understand and accept the truth about myself. My physical body and my objective affairs reflect the perfection that I feel, the wholeness of which I am certain, and the glorious freedom that rightfully belong to me. I rejoice that my spirit is forever free.